Amazing morning! Gusto mo bang maging healthy at makaiwas sa mga sakit tulad ng diabetes, cancer, tumor, PCOS at iba pa? Imagine kung kaya mong ibigay sa katawan mo ang lahat ng essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, at enzymes. All in one product. I am Amazing Pure Organic Barley ni Miss Maritone Fernandez. Benefits ng barley: detox, nililinis ang toxins sa katawan. Rich in fiber, tulong sa constipation. Alkaline properties, makatutulong mag-regulate ng blood pressure at blood sugar. 68 micronutrients, pang-boost ng overall health at energy. Reminder, healthy ang barley pero hindi ito gamot. Always consult your doctor for serious health conditions. Hi, I'm Mentor Hansuli, an authorized distributor of I Am Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Madali lang itong gamitin. Timpla sa isang basong tubig, 30 minutes bago kumain, on an empty stomach. For maintenance, 1 to 2 sachet a day. For recovery, 2 to 3 sachet a day. Paano mag-order? Comment or send me a message. Cash on delivery available nationwide. Gusto mong makatipid? Magpa-member na at makakuha ng lifetime discount up to 50%. Perfect for personal use or pang-negosyo. Click Send Me a Message button now para masimulan mo ang iyong health journey.